Hello there, welcome to Let's Make Agencies Limited, where we offer products and services such as procurement of goods and services, construction, insurance, business development support, where we help small-scale businesses on how to manage their finances and business, events and decor. Trust Let's Make Agencies with your events and will deliver to your preference.
Business development support, you support a year for Enketwa. Ye much concern ewo edwedefo nketwa omudiga ewo my Ghana mu
ope baby edweni a kire akoyo car insurance comprehensive third party a memfo wani kire baby a for wani kire Let's Make Agency yene na ye the best.
I Let's Make warehouse I Tonton Charles any building materials.
The building any your construction and so say even yama contract bi wa ben mu enso hu se dia obeye no e fa na dams e fa na road e fa na buildings. Any kind of construction I am now, I will share ultimate bobbing a year through your Let's Make Foundation. A bit more orphanage issues, a bit more hospital issues, a bit more here counseling. Nini na Let's Make Foundation. It me I
Bliss aluminium system your castle high tension. A glass location of Italian Sico, aluminium sliding doors, indoors, swing doors, casements, and a young way interior glass repairs. So, I don't know who are called we school at open San Yoduma Panebra, Lucas, high tension, street near Obom station or no, we won't say somebody boy Bliss aluminium. You're not much to scream nase. The phenomenal friend, so you know that Casabo for our supreme.
Hi there, you are most welcome to another day on TLT Care Show. Hope you're doing good. Actually, yeah, it's a beautiful Friday afternoon. I deem it a great honor to lock on your screen to share with you one or two tips that you got to know. So please stay connected, do the liking and share for your loved ones to enjoy this program. It's all about your health, and here your health is our priority. Please do the liking and share for your loved ones to enjoy this program, and also withdraw your comment to the comment section at the right possible time. I will reply it to you because it's all about your health, and here your health is our priority. Without wasting much time, let's get straight to our health tips for today. It's about our natural skin beauty. If you want to grow your natural skin beauty, you want to look beautiful without bleaching your skin up, please try to take care of it. It is your own skin, so you have to take care of it. And how to take care of it is very simple. Try to eat a lot of food that contains antioxidant fiber and nutrients that will promote your skincare beautifully. And also avoid products that contain triglycerides, often toothpaste and hand wash. Okay, and avoid products that contain that. Choose beauty products with a high percentage of organic ingredients. Okay, pesticides are by their very nature destructive to the environment, even if they are supposed to be targeted. Unfortunately, pesticide can be additional impact upon that for which they are intended, and they have been implicated in all sorts of health issues. So as well as the severe declining bee population, organic ingredients are grown without the use of these potentially harmful chemicals. So try to use natural skin products. It is very helpful. Say no to petrochemicals in your beauty products. Please say no to petrochemicals in your beauty products. It is good for your skin and it isn't good for the environment. So I beg your pardon, it isn't good for your skin and it isn't good for the environment. So petroleum-based ingredients have the effect of forming a barrier to the skin that stops the pores from breathing and releasing toxins. So of course, as oil is a non-renewable source, it works in environments, favor it, and it will reduce our use of petrochemicals whenever possible. So try to say no to petrochemicals in your beauty products. So if you buy a pomade and you find that chemicals around the bottles or the shade, then that means it's a no-no for your skin. Okay, and also choose certified organic beauty products where possible. Please choose certified organic beauty products for your skin. There are a lot of nutritious foods that are very helpful for your skin care. We have coconut oil, lemon and milk. That combination is very good. Choose lemon and milk. Many women use various conditioners on their hair to making it soft and shiny, but the toxic ingredients in conditioners will be managed. Their hair results in breakage and all sorts of things. So the natural alternative for conditioner to be combination of lemon and milk, which keeps your hair silky and nourishing your scalp for the healthier head of hair. So adding white part of eggs gives you more nourishing of your beauty content. So your skin too is attached to it. Turmeric and curd are also good for your health. Fruit facial, okay, they are also good. A lot of fruits like watermelon, vegetables such as cucumber, lemon, as I mentioned earlier, they are all good source of fruits that will help you to maintain your natural beauty. Please try to eat a lot of fruits and also drink enough water. Bath with cold water to nourish your skin. Avoid using chemicals to clear your skin, like to bleach your skin up. It is very harmful to prevent yourself from getting skin cancer. I hope you learned a lot from this session. It's all about your health, and here your health is our priority. Remember, this program was successfully brought to you by Top G Multimedia, Let's Make Group of Company, Prestodia Care Foundation International, and African Queens Market. My name is Evelyn Adoma. Stay connected with Top G. Until then, bye for now.
Bliss aluminium system, your castle high tension. A glass application of Italian Siku aluminium sliding doors, indoors, swing doors, casements, and a young way to my say. Interior glass repairs, so way to my say. I don't know what I'm saying. We school at open San Yoduma Panebra, Lucasua, high tension, street network, Obom station, or no, Obom say somebody boy, Bliss aluminium, you're not much to scream, Nasa. The phenomenon friend, so you know that Casabo for